everyone, welcome back to Better with Brigita. Today I'm making Oriental spinach salad. These are the ingredients you're going to need to buy. Brown sugar, spinach, 2 hard-boiled eggs, onion, Worcestershire sauce, bacon, bean sprouts, water chestnuts, salt, pepper, avocado oil, and apple cider vinegar. Like most restaurants, bacon is best cooked in the oven, and that's how I do my bacon. I cook the whole package, and then Mark and I have the rest of the week to eat it. We're only going to need 8 pieces for this recipe, so I like to go ahead and cook the whole package. Okay, I'm going to wash my hands and then we're going to put it in the oven. Now, I never knew this. Actually, our son told us this was the way to cook bacon. He took home ec class in middle school, and he said it should be put into a 400-degree cold oven that you then set to 400 degrees. So I've been doing it that way ever since, and it's great. Now I cook everything on convection, so you'll notice it comes up as set to 375. Our bacon's ready. We're going to take it out. It was about 15 minutes. Sometimes it takes more than 20. You never know. Now we like our bacon cooked a little more, a little crispy. I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes. I'm going to take it off there, and we're only going to use 8 pieces, and we're going to crumble them up. Now I'm going to assemble the dressing for our salad. First, we're going to assemble the salad. So I have baby spinach. We're going to use the whole bag. Now you could take the stems off, which I like to do sometimes, or you could just leave them on. Doesn't matter. Okay, next we have the bacon, so I'm going to move the bowl aside so you can see. We have our 8 pieces of cooked bacon, so I'm going to just break that up into smaller pieces and then add that to the salad. So just make it as small as you want. Of course, you can certainly use turkey bacon. This recipe is very adaptable. And I'm going to get my bench scraper to pick that up. Be a lot easier. I'm going to move the bowl closer. Oh, dropped a few pieces. Okay. It looks like a lot, but it's going to spread out. Okay, next we have water chestnuts. Now, I bought them sliced, but I think I'm going to cut them a little smaller. This salad would be great for a bridal shower, a baby shower, or just a girls' get-together, which is what I've made it for many times. Okay, now here's our bean sprouts. The can that I bought, it only came in this size. We only need about half of a can, but certainly if you want to add more, you can do that. I've drained the bean sprouts and the water chestnuts. Okay, we have hard-boiled eggs. So I'm going to slice those. Now, if you want to dice them up, that would be fine too. And next we're going to assemble our dressing. Now I'm going to assemble the dressing for our salad. So I'm grating an onion. Okay, now we're going to add the other ingredients. So I have apple cider vinegar. I'm going to do salt and pepper. Now, one ingredient I forgot to mention at the beginning is pickle juice. So you're going to have to play around with that and see how much you might need. I'm just guessing here. We're going to taste it at the end and decide if we need more. I'm adding brown sugar, avocado oil. Now I'm using avocado oil because that's what I had, but you can also use extra virgin olive oil. It'd be just as good. And then Worcestershire sauce. We're going to mix it up and we're going to taste it. Might need more onion. I didn't grate the whole pieces of onions that I had. Okay, let's see. Oh, I think that's just right. Wow. Really good. You want to try it, Mark?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let me get you a fresh spoon. How's that?
That's perfect.
Okay, good.
Wouldn't add a thing.
Okay. I like to hear that.
There we go.
I'm not going to pour all the dressing in. I'm going to pour it into something separately, and then as we eat the salad, add the dressing to it. Now it's time to test Oriental spinach salad. Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Real nice. All right, I'm going to give this a little mix on the dressing.
You will find it'll stay better if you could put it in a shaker bottle. We don't have one. It would help keep everything mixed.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oop, a little drip on the counter.
Yep.
Ooh, that's delicious.
It is. Thank you. There we go. So I want to keep it separate because I'm going to take this to work for lunch this week, if it lasts that long.
It's got a good crunch to it.
Yes, I like it.
Delicious.
Very good. Happy with that. And I think you will be too. Give this a try. If you can, let me know what you think. And of course, the recipe will be in the description box below, like all my other recipes. We're giving it a thumbs up, so please do so also. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Thanks.